Exercise 2. P equals 800 plus 22h. In this equation, P represents Carlos' total pay in dollars for his first week of work, where H represents the number of hours he worked that week, and 800 represents a hiring bonus. So, this 800 is the hiring bonus, and then H is the number of hours Carlos worked that week. So, hours worked, and P is his total pay. If Carlos' total pay was 1,252, so assuming that P is 1,252, for how many hours was he paid for this first week of work? So 1,252 would be equal to 800 plus 22/8. We could use our calculator or we could simply do it by hand. So 1252 minus 800 is equal to 22/8. Therefore, 452 equals to 22/8. And we should just divide both sides by 22 to get the hours of work. And that would have been, let me use my calculator for that, 452 divided by 22, that would have been equal to 20,5454, so approximately 20.5 hours of work. B should be the right answer for this question.